Hi, and welcome to Rural Art Connection, the place where your boredom ends and your creativity begins. Today I'm going to go over my top 3 last minute gifts. Last minute gift number 3 is head to Ross. Ross is your best bet for awesome, quick, and relatively priced items. So these coffee mugs are great. My students, we just went over constellations and zodiac signs, and lo and behold, we have tons and tons of zodiac related coffee mugs, as well as some really just cute coffee mugs, nerdy coffee mugs. We got Harry Potter. That's really cool, and they're not bad. They're not bad. Like $5 for a super awesome coffee mug is not a bad deal at all. Number 2 are homemade candles, and the ones that I made, I used shoelaces, and you can also use Crisco instead of beeswax. To weigh down the wicks that we made from the shoelaces, which need to be as much cotton as possible. If they're 100% cotton, that's the best. And I just found a little pebble from the yard, tied the shoelace onto it to weigh it down. And then I'm going to go in with some E6000 glue to glue them down in the bottom of the container so they don't move around when I pour the wax in. Since these are last minute gifts, if you don't have any beeswax but you happen to have some Crisco or some shortening or lard, you can use that instead of beeswax to make your candles. And truth be told, the Crisco actually will burn longer than the beeswax. I got this vanilla scented beeswax at the Dollar Tree for only $1, which is awesome. They have all different kinds of scents. So if you want your candle to smell good, then you can use that. So this is the melted Crisco. I just nuked it in the microwave. And then I'm adding black crayon to it because I want to make a black candle for my emo friend, because she doesn't want anything that's super flashy. We just want black candles. So I'm just going to keep mixing this in until it incorporates fully with the shortening. Next, you're going to pour in your shortening or your melted beeswax, whatever you're using, and I just looped the wick around a pencil to keep it level and centered to the middle as I pour my candle contents. And so this first one, I did really good and got it all in there, but as you see later on, it didn't work out as well for some of my other candles. Next, for the candles that we are making using recycled candles and beeswax, I'm just going to shave some of the vanilla scented beeswax into the green candle wax that I have to give it a nice smell. Then I'm going to mix this up while it's still hot so it all incorporates together really well before I pour it into my candle containers. Once the candles have fully cooled, you can cut the wicks to size, so level to the top of the container, and you can decorate them and label them as you choose. My number one favorite last minute gift for anybody is coffee brown sugar body scrub. So really you only need brown sugar, coffee grounds, and coconut oil. I add vanilla and some shea baby oil to the mix, but really you just need the three: brown sugar, coffee grounds, coconut oil. So for the first part, you're going to need a full cup of coffee grounds, followed by a full cup of brown sugar, then a half a cup of coconut oil. And then I just use 1 capful of vanilla and 1 or 2 squirts of the baby oil if you happen to have it. Once you have all the ingredients added together, the best way to mix it is to just use your hands. So you just keep mixing it until all of it is incorporated together well and fully, and so it's just going to feel like moist coffee grounds at this point. Then you can start taking those coffee grounds and slowly and carefully spooning them into the container that you want to keep them in. This brown sugar coffee body scrub is good for approximately 2 weeks if you keep it in the refrigerator, and you can use it in the shower, out of the shower, whenever you want to just exfoliate and get rid of dead skin. You can use it on your body, on your face. All are safe. If you have a need for more exfoliation, you can also use white sugar instead of the brown sugar. One of my last steps was to come in with some of these wall decals that I got at the Dollar Tree for $1 and a piece of paper, and I just came in and made some really quick labels for my containers so that the people that I'm gifting it to know exactly what they're getting. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be informed anytime I post a new video. Also, comment down below which of these 3 last-minute gifts did you like the best, and which ones are you going to try for yourselves at home.